at the end of the year or like early on the next year that I start getting sick. Last year I got sick in like December, basically on New Year's Day. And now this year it's like early January. So I always get sick at the end / beginning of each year. But anyways, welcome to today's video. Gosh, I sound so weird. I'm heading up to Santa Ana right now, LA, to pick up 2 new tires. We're going to be picking up 2 Federal RSRR tires, 275s to put on the rear of my car, taking off all the stretch that I have on the car. Going to be running at track stance now. I'm running really late right now. Actually, not really late. It's 2:19 and they close at 4 p.m. And I'm about an hour and a half away, so I'm probably going to get there right before they close. Hopefully I can get these tires today, and then depending on that, I'll see if I'll be able to make it to the tire shop. So the tire shop closes at 7 o'clock today. It takes 2 hours to get back home. So I'll be cutting it close. I'll be back at like 6 p.m. So I don't know if I'll have time to make it to the tire shop, but I'll bring you guys along with me if I do. And yeah, I'm super excited to get these on the car. Gosh guys, after a long 2 hours, we are finally pulling up. Like 2 more minutes. Where's this place at? Made it pretty good on time. I got here like 20 minutes earlier than I was expecting. So starving. I want to get something to eat too. And yeah, about to pick up these Federal tires. Super excited. I love these tires so much. They're the RSRR ones with the sick tread on them. They're my favorite. And I got some tire stickers at home that I'm gonna throw on. It's about to look so sick. I can't wait. I think we're here. I think it's in this building right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna park. Alright, so we got the tires now. 275, 35, 18 Federal RSRRs. These tires are so sick. I just love the way they look. That was pretty fast. That took like 2 minutes literally. Now time to head back to San Diego. Another 2-hour drive back. I think I'm gonna be able to make it to the tire shop today, so I'm probably gonna get home around like, I'll probably get home around like 5:30. I was just cruising, right? And it was kind of like a decline, like it was kind of like downhill the freeway. And I spot this highway patrol like up ahead on the right side. He's like kind of parked like sideways. So he's like obviously waiting there for somebody for like speeding because it's a downhill road. And like I passed him and he has like his gun, not his gun, but his like radar gun. He's just like pointing at all the cars. And I just put it into neutral because like I don't want to risk getting pulled over for my exhaust. I do have my stock exhaust on, but I took the big muffler off because I can't jack the car off from the rear with that huge muffler, so I just took it off because I was working on my car last night and I just didn't put it on because I was too lazy. It was super late and it's not loud, it's just kind of like deep, so I just put it into neutral just to cruise by him so I don't risk anything. Look at my mirror and the highway patrol is coming like super fast, like he's hauling ass, like he's trying to catch up. I'm like, oh gosh. He just zooms past me and then he pulls over this like Evo like in front of me. I was like, what the heck? So I don't know, like I don't know if he was speeding or anything, but the Evo sounded quiet to me, but he just like pulled that Evo over. I was like, damn, that sucks. And I'm scared of this new law. Like I'm really scared. I was talking to this guy yesterday that has an Integra. He had like cat deletes or whatever. He had a catback system. He was in court yesterday and his fine was $1,500 for exhaust. That is insane. He had to pay a fine of $1,500, $1,500 just for his exhaust in this new law. That's crazy, man. Like before I was kind of like, oh, this law's kind of like whatever. Like I feel like I might put my exhaust back on. But dude, after hearing that, I'm not losing $1,500 over this new law. That's crazy.
Eventually.
Alright, tires packed up, we're all good to go. in the truck now. We are headed to the tire shop to get my 2 brand new tires mounted. I'm gonna put the 2 Federal RSRRs on the rear, and then I'm going to move the Federals that I have currently on the rear right now to the fronts. It's almost the same size that I used for track stands before. So we're just gonna do that. See you guys at the tire shop. Alright guys, so we just finished at the tire shop. All of the new tires mounted. Now we're gonna head home and throw these tires on, and hopefully I don't have to do too much adjusting with the coilovers, but I'm excited to see what the car looks like with the new tires on.